Alright, guys, this is Tony Pizza completely going ballistic. DEFCON 4.
I'm the shot caller now. I'm the shot caller now, Angel. Not you. Me. Alright? You want to be a shot caller? I'll be the shot caller now. I dare you. I dare you. Put that fucking bum on your show again. I dare you. You fucking blowjob. I'll make your brother go to the fucking grave from the fucking prison cell. And I'll make him fucking everybody in your family hate your guts. Show that motherfucker one more time on your show. Tell everybody Satcho's #1. I dare you. Later, guys.